So it's my pleasure to invite our special guest today, who is Aloysius Chan. Aloysius is in the tech sector, working in the tech sector, and
Mm,
he's been investing for the last 4 years. If
about
I'm not
five
wrong,
years,
right?
I was
Sorry?
5 years. 5 years.
Last 5 years, from
Yeah.
2019 to this year. And I believe that Aloysius, you took the value momentum investing course, and I think the options course 1 year after you started investing.
All right. So okay. I started investing about 5 years ago. Back then I was in university, and I was like thinking of how I can make, thinking of ways of how to like make money while I'm studying. In university itself, there was this small trading competition by UOB Kay Hian. So
Uh,
back then, me and my friends decided to like participate in it. And then one of my friends actually said that why waste time trading on paper account, right? When you can actually make money by trading your real account. So after which I decided to open a broker's account with DBS Vickers, and then I traded the Singapore market. Back then I stumbled upon your videos and I was learning on like technical analysis, and I was doing like small swing tradings on like Singapore stocks. I remember it was like Genti, those pretty low volatility kind. Back then, I was fortunate enough. I would say that my net trading was in the positive, so I didn't really lose a lot of money. And when I was watching your videos, I was always, captivated by that VMI calculator. The fact that you can calculate the IV, and then you always know how what you kind of know what's the intrinsic value of a stock, and then it kind of boosts your confidence, right, to so-called buy a particular stock when it has a high margin below that IV price point. That's what kind of motivated me to kind of join Piranha Profits as well. I want to get my hands on that calculator, right? And
yeah.
and some I believe some people argue and say that, oh, there's a lot of intrinsic calculator on the internet. You can easily find one online. I did try that. I think the Warren Buffett's intrinsic calculator. But the problem with that is I don't know where to source the information. And at the end of the day, even if I do manage to calculate a specific like IV, right, I wouldn't have the confidence to say that, okay, that's the IV. So that's why I decided to join Piranha Profits in the VMI course. I watched a few videos from other gurus out there. Honestly, yours just stuck to me the most. I find that the information that you shared on the videos typically are quite packed with facts. So I kind of like that kind of sharing.
So what about the value momentum investing course did you find most useful?
Okay, the benefit of this course is actually not only on the calculator, it's the community that you have right, after the course. And of course, the lessons as well. The lessons were quite holistic, compared to if you were to learn it on your own with online resources, right? You
Mm.
typically only get bits and pieces, and you might miss out on a few learning points along the way. So the courses itself and the lessons that you guys offer, essentially was quite broad-based. Starting off on a good foundation is usually something that is quite important when you're learning on something. So that's one. The next benefit is actually the community. I also believe that investment is not really a single person's game. At times when you are very emotionally affected, be it by other personal commitments, not only on the market, you tend to make a bit of an irrational decision. So having a community there actually helps to, kind of clarify things and to add on that confidence of whether whatever you do is right or wrong. That's one thing. Alternatively, there's also a platform to so-called communicate with the professionals, you guys. It's also important in the sense that you can clarify with the professionals upfront lah. To apply the lessons from the course was fairly simple, but it's always the emotional aspects that try to like, tear down that fundamentals and say that,
Yeah.
oh, just go in. What are you waiting for? I think I think the main challenge for me right now, right, up to this day, is still about you know um waiting waiting for the different price targets to so
Yeah.
called buy in trenches. In some cases, I get a bit hasty. When
Mm.
it dropped, right, I don't wait already. I just like, oh, I don't have a location, I just go in. So
Mm.
those are some things that I would also like to uh, get better at lah. So I got about a 70% year to date kind of returns for this year. Um, and I hit my first six digit portfolio lah.
Wow,
So
that's
this
fantastic.
year. So I started about 5 years ago as a student. So back then I only had about 10K in capital, thereabout. And then I was frugal about it. Then I mentioned that I save a lot. And that was what contributed to most of the growth in the initial stages of portfolio. And then subsequently the compounding effect came in, and then it grew to the size that it was today.
What is your investment? Do you have an investment routine? Like, how much time do you spend looking at the market? How much time do you spend analyzing stocks? And yeah, what's your typical day like? Because some people think you need to spend a lot of time looking at the markets every day. Do you?
For investing itself, you don't really have to look at your investment. In fact, you don't even need to look at it on a daily basis. You can just come back to it after a few weeks or months. Because if you're buying good companies, right, generally, they will definitely do well in the long run.
So, what would you
So
say to many people who want to learn how to invest, but then they may think, oh, I don't need to attend any course, I can learn on my own. Or or they think I don't want to pay money to attend a course, I can learn it on my own. What would you say to these people? Do you think they can learn on their own, or you think it's worth it to invest in a course?
okay. There's a lot of factors, right? I wouldn't say learning on your own is totally a bad thing, but sometimes self-exploration leads you to more kind of lessons, and you learn more, and those lessons stay with you longer, you know.
Hmm.
So it depends on how people see it. At the same time, if you want the most cost-effective way, just join Piranha Profits. I mean, okay,
Yeah.
the reason why is because I was lucky enough. My account size is small as well. So when I make a mistake on a 10K account, probably lose like it's still quantity wise it's still a small account. If you are playing with a larger account, the mistakes are bigger. So generally I would say if you are trying to explore the market on your own, be prepared for losses. Be prepared to take loss, and it's all part of the game, right? Um, Joining a course itself gives you more guidance, especially in Piranha Profits. You have a community. That's already the added value you have there, because people can share their lessons with you, and then from there, instead of experiencing the lessons firsthand, right, I mean, you can really emotionally kind of like connect with the lessons from other people, and you know how painful it is for them, so you feel their pain, and then you try to avoid that as well. So that's another way of learning, right? The course itself, yes, there's a premium to it, but at the end of the day, the lessons are kind of like lifetime, and then you can always refer back to the lessons if you need them to refresh. There's always like monthly updates on newsletter to update you. So these are all actually very very valuable stuff lah. You don't need to spend so-called your additional personal time to go and source for this information as well. So that's extra value. Other than that, I would say join the just join lah. Yeah, really. You just that premium can be made back very very quickly. I've seen people make it back like within weeks or probably like few months. So it's